So we're going to take this hat here, and from a fold like this hat, we're going to make a boat. So here's one that already started, and it is just like this hat here. Okay? But now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to open it up like we're going to put it on our head. Okay? We're going to open up like we're going to put it on our head. Just like that. See? Except as we open it up, we're going to continue to open it up like that, so that we make a diamond shape here. We're going to tuck these little flaps here underneath each other like that. Turn it over, and we're going to do the same thing here. See how it's kind of sticking up like that? We're going to just tuck that under there like that. Okay? Flatten it out a little bit. There we go. See? So it was a hat like this, and then we just opened it up and kept on pressing it and closed it back up again. Okay, let me do that one more time. So it was like this, but then we stick our fingers down in here and open it up like we're going to put it on our head like that, but we're going to continue opening it and then lay it back flat again, just like that. See, now we got this diamond. That's real easy. Now we're going to take this corner down here, see where they overlapped? We're going to take that corner and we're going to match it with this corner up here. Okay, so we're going to fold it right here in the middle. We're going to match those two corners right up in there. Okay, be careful not to pull this thing apart. Okay, so we're going to try to do our best to line it up. And look at that. You see there? We're going to fold it right here in the middle. Alright, and if you want to see that again, see, we took it from here and we folded it up so that this corner matches the corner up here at the top, and when we flatten it here, we get this line right through the middle like that. See? Okay, now we're going to flip it over again. We're not going to flip it over top to bottom or bottom to top. We're going to flip it over left to right or right to left. So we're going to go left to right, just like that. Ta-da! And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take this and match it with that top point right there, and we're going to pull it up, match it, and when we fold it, look at that, it matches what we did on the back side. Look, see? That's the same thing we did on that side. So now look at that, it's almost like a small hat. We're going to stick our finger in here, open it up like we're going to put it on our head, except we're just going to keep on opening it and then fold it into another diamond. There we are. Okay. Now we're going to take these two points right here and kind of squeeze it. See how I'm doing that? And see how I can kind of pull it? Just these two pieces right here. You get a good close-up look at that. Okay, that's all we're doing. We're going to take these two pieces right here, this point and this point. We're going to pull it, and we're going to keep on pulling it, and look at that, it turns into a boat. We might need to go in here and kind of tuck that in and finesse it out like this. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? It's now a boat. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's almost magic how that last move turned it from a hat to a boat. Look at that. Then we can decorate it just like we did with this one. Now you can decorate any way you want, but what I did was I looked on my computer and on the internet and looked up pirate ships and got pictures of pirate ships, and I looked at it and to see how I could design my own boat to make it look like a pirate ship to go along with my pirate hat. Isn't that neat? Okay. And that is how to make a boat from a hat. Well, I hope you had fun doing that, and I want you to rewind this video and start from the beginning and look at it again and pause it if you need to, so that you can learn how to make both a hat and a boat. If you need to learn how to make a hat again, or look at that video on how to make a hat, just oh yeah, click on maybe this video right there, okay, and now take you back to how to make a hat like this one. Okay, all right, well, I hope you have a fun time taking a normal sheet of paper and folding it so it becomes either a hat or a boat.